Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Anong gagawin natin?
Parang I'm thinking yung permanent na blow, what do you call
Permanent
that?
blow dry?
Permanent blow dry. Ano ba yung permanent blow dry na yan na you don't need to fix it na pagka wash and wear, ganon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Para siyang ribbon, pero may volume.
Okay, and how long would that take?
Permanent na siya. Yung tubo niya lang yung yung weaving.
Okay. Yung cut naman, I'm thinking na
Layer.
hindi naman masyado. Like siguro, I mean, pwede kong itali na nakaganon.
Yeah, pwede.
Diba?
Maglagay tayo ng bangs, curtain bangs, na mahaba.
Okay.
And
Bagay
then,
ba?
bagay sa'yo, ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos, yung soft layer lang natin. Hindi naman masyadong mataas na layer. Mababa lang.
Okay. And the color?
And the color, siguro mga light brown.
Okay.
Pero hindi naman super light.
Okay.
Parang katulad sa akin.
Okay. And easy to maintain?
Oo, easy to maintain.
Okay.
Sige po. Kamusta, ma'am?
Perfect.
Perfect.
I love it.
Yan.
Yes.
Ganda.
Yeah.
So, disclaimer lang to sa manunood. Ano lang siya, nakapaloob lang to. So, ayan, ma'am. No wash ka muna ng 2 days. And then, alagaan mo siya ng fora. Ha, yung hair mask. Na-explain naman sa iyo yung fora, ma'am.
Yeah, they
siya.
did. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
So, anong sasabi mo, ma'am?
Perfect. Can't wait to come back again. Kaya lang, I can't.
Oo.
I will try next year.
See you soon na lang ulit po.
Yes.
Yan.
And I'll find you.
Oo. Hanapin mo lang ako, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Yan. Tapos picturean natin, ma'am, ha?
I want a picture.
Okay.
Sa you then.
Thank you po.